Hey, yeah, I revisited this damaged Syneco lock again. It's all locked up. Can't turn it. But if I turn it upside down, it opens. That'll be because of weak springs. Uh, I took off the weatherproof housing and I got a Dremel and ground off the rivets, and all these things come off. When they're all together, it's quite a solid lock. And when the lock turns, this turns and it retracts these two locking pawls that usually go into the slots of the shackle, and then the shackle's able to be lifted out. If I remove the bottom plate, then we have a little kick lock, and I've only ever gutted one lock before, and this will be my second one. See if the follower works. Alright, I'll get my best pinning tray. Alright, I'm going to pin one here. Yeah, I'll get I'll get it close up later. Oh gosh, that went flying across the room. That's why I should have those tweezers with these curves on them. Okay, so I live and learn. It's pin 4. So was that pin 3 that shot across the room? I had a little look for it. I don't know where it is. I can search for it later. Pull this out. Pin 1. Okay, it doesn't come, the spring doesn't push it above the shear line. Okay. So we've got a little tiny spring, and is it a little tiny spool? And again, this one does not push it above the shear line. I think that might be a tiny spool. Again, I'm going to give you guys a close-up, don't worry, after I do this. Okay, again, this is not coming up above the shear line. Don't know if I've been showing you that properly, the camera angle. It does not come above the shear line. And if I pull this right out, in fact, neither pin 3, the driver pin 3 or 4, come above the shear line. Okay, so that looks as though, okay, so all the key pins are standard, but putting a little bit of light on it. Okay, so that looks like a spool in 2. Is it a spool in 3? These are very shallow spools. Spool in 4. Okay, the springs. Driver pins. 3 is missing. See how the spring is a little bit squashed up at this end. These springs are degraded. You can see all the driver pins are pretty much at the shear line. Now again, I don't know if it was partly due to me trying to pick it or not, or whether the springs have just got really old, but that there is definitely the problem. Thanks.